Today I have a Nissan Frontier, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights. They're also called the hazard flashers, the hazard flashers, the warning lights, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you how to turn them on. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm inside of the Nissan Frontier. In order to turn on the warning, hazard warning, lights, flashers, whatever you want to call them, you're sitting in the vehicle, I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center. And when you look towards the center, you'll locate a button that has a triangle within a triangle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this, and watch when I press this. All right, you hear a clicking noise, and you'll look on the instrument panel. And on the instrument panel, you'll see right here, there are a left and right turn signal blinking. And that's indicative that the warning lights, the hazard flashers are on. And now you have them on. You can, do whatever you need to them. Warning, hazard, flashers, whatever. But in order to turn them off, what you'll do is you'll come back to this triangle. And you see this triangle right here? You'll press it again. And when you press it again, you'll look on the instrument panel and the hazard warning lights are now off, just like that. All right, I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.